Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add background in Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app, and there are two ways to do this one. So the first one is to click the blue plus sign icon at the top left of your screen under your profile picture. This will lead you to your camera roll and choose a photo which you want to post to your story. As for me, I'll choose this and then pinch the photo to resize it to a smaller size. And it will automatically add a colored background that matches your photo. So just edit your story by adding some text, stickers, music, move your photo around or resize it some more, and feel free to share it with your friends once you're satisfied. The second way is to go back to your home page and swipe your screen to the right to activate Instagram camera. At the left part of your screen, you can see a create button and tap on that. And this will create a blank story with a default background color, which you can easily change the colors by tapping on the little circle at the bottom right corner of your screen. And feel free to choose from the presets provided by Instagram. Continue editing your story by adding this photo sticker. This one. So just choose a photo that you want to post. And again, resize, rotate it, and customize your story as you like. And that's how you can successfully add a background to your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!